Sometimes when you're trying to figure out what to write about, just start with your command generator and actually generate some content with commands that'll help you get that answer. So explain Alzheimer's to me, and I'm going to use cause and causes just in case. That helps. And so 1,500 words, say, being the outer encapsulation, but it's going to give me some variation, and I'll see if I like it. You can pause and read this. So then my next question might be, if I could easily take this and save it to a notepad, right? And it gives me something to go on. And that's great. So I just did that. So now my next question is going to be this. What causes Alzheimer's? Okay? Might be something I want to explore as I'm writing this topic. What it is, what causes it, what we can do about it. Okay, so again, I've got really good useful information that I can put in here, right? And that way I can continue with my material. So if I was to do a website about Alzheimer's, I'd have a page that explains it, probably the home page. Well, the home page is probably going to kind of like go through a summary of these things. It's going to introduce it, it's going to talk about the causes, talk about what it's like for you, talk about what it's like for the people surrounding you, and talk about potential cures, And there you go. There might be the 5 pages of my website I'm going to kick off. And the funny thing is, I am no expert on Alzheimer's, but I can write a website about Alzheimer's. I can write blog entries. I can write full web pages. Just knowing these contents better than most doctors can in terms of explaining it to average people. So that's the point, is that you can absolutely decide how you want to get your content for the main page and for the inner pages. Remember, if there are several inner pages, each page is about its own topic, okay? And the home page is kind of like a table of contents. It says, we're going to talk about this, 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 and this. In a way, in the home page, it's going to have a section for that, for that, for that, for that, for that, right? And then call us now or whatever, or order here, whatever it is we're doing. So the home page kind of suggests reading some of these side pages if you want more information. Otherwise, order here, And then the side pages will explain what you were curious about, and order here, at the bottom, right? To give each page a purpose. Okay, so literally you can create a web page, you can create a website faster than anybody, and it can allow you to look like an expert in the arena because you're generating titles, then subtitles, sections, then subsections, and talk about your sections by introducing the subsections, and then make each individual page about subsections. And if you have your inner pages, then you can even create subsections. You can create the drop-down menu for each of those items in the menu so that your website can be even more about each particular topic so that Google really likes it. Because Google wants to see you being an expert on the material and that people are hanging out on your website and interacting by clicking things. Okay? There you go.